Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam library folder is not empty error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of your Steam application. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different configuration categories. Click on Storage. This section is crucial because it controls where your Steam games are installed and manages your available storage drives. By accessing this area, you'll be able to add additional locations for your game library, which is exactly what we need to fix this error. Now, in the storage settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of the window. Click on this drop-down menu and select Add Drive. This option allows you to designate a new location for installing your Steam games, giving you more flexibility with storage management. After selecting Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and select your another local drive from the available options. Once you've chosen your preferred drive, click Add. This action tells Steam to recognize this new location as a valid installation directory for your games, effectively expanding your storage capabilities and resolving the folder conflict. To make sure everything worked correctly, click the drop-down menu again. This lets you verify that your local drive was successfully added to Steam's storage system. You should now see it listed among your available storage locations. With your new storage drive configured, navigate to the upper left corner again and click Library. This takes you to your game collection where you can manage installations and downloads. In the left panel of your library, browse through your games and click on the game you want to install. Then select Install to begin the installation process. A window will pop up giving you installation options. In this installation window, you'll see the local drive you added earlier. Click on that drive to select it as the installation location, then click Install. Steam will now begin downloading and installing your game to the new drive location, completely avoiding the folder is not empty error you encountered before. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the Steam library folder issue by adding a new storage location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.